Are you sexually active?
No, I just lie there.
This myasthenia gravis, does it affect your memory at all?
Yes.
And in what ways does it affect your memory?
I forget.
You forget? Can you give us an example of something you forgot? Do you know if your daughter has ever been involved in voodoo?
We both do.
Voodoo?
We do.
You do?
Yes, voodoo.
Now, doctor, isn't it true that when the person dies in his sleep, he doesn't know about it until the next morning?
Did you actually pass the bar exam?
The youngest son, the 20-year-old, how old is he?
He's 20, much like your IQ.
Were you present when your picture was taken?
Are you shitting me?
So the date of conception of the baby was August 8th.
Yes.
And what were you doing at the time?
Getting laid.
She had 3 children, right?
Yes.
How many were boys?
None.
Were there any girls?
Your Honor, I think I need a different attorney. Can I get a new attorney?
How was your first marriage terminated?
By death.
And by whose death was it terminated?
Take a guess.
Can you describe the individual?
He was about 20, medium height, and had a beard.
Was this a male or a female?
Unless the circus was in town, I'm going with male.
Doctor, how many of your autopsies have you performed on dead people?
All of them. The live ones put up too much of a fight.
All your responses must be oral. Okay. What school did you go to?
Oral.
Do you recall the time that you examined the body?
The autopsy started around 8:30 p.m.
And Mr. Denton was dead at the time.
If not, he was by the time I finished.
Are you qualified to give a urine sample?
Are you qualified to ask that question?
Doctor, before you performed the autopsy, did you check for a pulse?
No.
Did you check for blood pressure?
No.
Did you check for breathing?
No.
So, then it is possible that the patient was alive when you began the autopsy?
No.
How can you be so sure, doctor?
Because his brain was sitting on my desk in a jar.
I see, but could the patient have still been alive, nevertheless?
Yes, it is possible that he could have been alive and practicing law.